And chemistry is not a new subject for you. You have already discussed in the ninth standard and 10th standard. So we will relate the basic concept that you have learned in the previous standard to get understand more quickly. In ninth standard, you have discussed about the branches of chemistry like organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, industrial chemistry, and so on. It's stoichiometry, first chapter of chemistry, first year. It belongs to the analytical chemistry, and in analytical chemistry we discuss or we analyze the quantitative and qualitative aspects. Means we mostly discuss about the quality of the substance and quantity of the substance. When we talk about the stoichiometry, then stoichiometry is composition of two Greek words, stoichion and metry. Stoichion means element and metry means measurement. The study of quantitative aspect of chemical reaction is known as the stoichiometry. Means in this chapter we will discuss about the quantitative aspects, quantity of the component, quantity of the compound. Now question arises, why discussion of quantity is necessary in the chemistry? The discussion of quantity is just like the backbone of the chemistry because without proper measurement we can't get a desired product. For example, fireworks manufacturer is required to mix calculated amount of chemicals. A wrong calculated amount could result in violent explosion. Same like this, the engineer must know the relative amount of fuel and oxygen needed for an efficient combustion. And like this, a chemist is required to use calculated amount of reactant to produce exact amount of product. Without proper calculation, we cannot get our desired product. We cannot get a complete or a beneficial product. So, the study through the knowledge of stoichiometry means measurement of element. It is the study of relative amount of substance that is involved in a chemical reaction. This study is very essential when quantitative information about a chemical reaction is required. It's very important predict yield of the chemical product. Now, how can we calculate? Consider the formation of water or steam. Water is formed by the composition or the mixing of hydrogen and oxygen. Stoichiometry deals with the numerical relationship of element and compound and the mathematical proportion of reactant and product in a chemical transformation. When we talk about the quantity, we mostly discuss about the mole, mass, volume, number of particle, atom, ions, etc. And all these terms are calculated in the numerical value. Means when we discuss about the stoichiometric term, we discuss mostly about the numerical values, numbers. We deals with the numbers basically. Here a chemical reaction is given that you can see on your screen. 2 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen are reacting and forming 2 mole of water. Here is the 2 mole of hydrogen is quantity of hydrogen gas. 1 mole of oxygen is the quantity of oxygen gas. And 2 mole is the quantity of steam, or can see that water, that is the product. It means when we took 2 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of oxygen, we will get 2 moles of water. This is the quantitative measurement.